Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2018 Audi Q3 Technik. This vehicle comes in a black exterior color, four-door sport utility SUV, seats 5 in a black interior color. This vehicle carries a 2-liter turbo engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission with an all-wheel drivetrain. Making our way into the front of the vehicle now. You have your blind spot indicator on the interior door with a nice little speaker up at the top. Power folding side mirrors and power windows. You have your trunk opener with the Bose Performance sound system. Nice little storage compartment as well. Door panel is made up of a black leather with a wood grain insert. Both front seats are powered in a black leather with lumbar support headrest adjustment. Storage compartment down at the bottom left. Black leather wrapped steering wheel. You have your menu selection on the left. Voice control, nav, and volume on the right. Cruise control is just behind the steering wheel. This vehicle is a push to start, so foot down on the brake. Analog front dash with a digital centerpiece. Infotainment screen. You have your backup camera, guidelines with the front and rear sensors as well. Underneath you have all of your controls, so radio, AM, FM radio with Sirius XM, pair your phone with Bluetooth. You have your navigation screen as well. Main menu. CD player just at the top of your center console, or your front dash, sorry. Drive mode selector for your comfort, dynamic, and custom. Traction control, park assist, and hill inclination. Manual climate control with heated front seats. Nice little storage compartment down at the bottom. You have your black leather wrapped gear shifter, 2 cup holders with your park brake. You have your USB port for your charging only. Little power bank. Center console. You have your port there. Rear view mirror. Up top you have your overhead lighting with moonroof and sunroof controls. Sun visor with an illuminated vanity mirror for the driver's side as well as the passenger side. Handle grips on either side of the vehicle. Dual sunroof stretching to the rear of the vehicle. Making our way around the left-hand side of the vehicle now, we'll start off with the 16-inch aftermarket rims on winter tires. Color match side mirror with an integrated turn signal. Keyless entry handle grip. Chrome badging along the vehicle. Rear parking sensors with a backup camera and a rear wiper blade. Powered trunk. Fully carpeted rear trunk space. You have your spare tire underneath with your jack. Cargo shade, access to the 60/40 split rear seats. You have your button up the top right. Making our way into the rear of the vehicle now, you have your black leather door panel with a wood grain insert. Speaker and storage space down at the bottom. Rear seats are in the black leather. Foldable rear seats. Middle seat can collapse down. Nice little storage compartment as well as your cup holders up at the front. Power bank and air vents at the rear of the center console. Netted magazine holders at the rear of both front seats. Access to the dual sunroof with overhead lighting and handle grips. This vehicle is also fitted with a full set of all-weather rubber mats. Finishing up with the right-hand side of the vehicle, you have your shark fin antenna at the rear. Gas tank, black trim around the windows. This vehicle comes with a full set of summer tires on Audi rims, black grille with front parking sensors and a front license plate bracket, LED headlights. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the vehicle, check us out at our website at wolfecadillac.com or visit us at our dealership in Edmonton, Alberta over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.